and gentlemen, the Santo Niño of Sitio Radar. Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here today to celebrate, of course, the patron saint of Sitio Radar, the Santo Niño. Kapag sinabi ko pong Viva Pit Senor, hisigaw po natin ang malakas na Viva! Viva Pit Senor! Mas lakasan pa po natin, give them the energy of Sitio Radar. Viva Pit Senor! Viva Pit Senor! Of the people are getting high. It is on the higher level. The Sinulog Festival is just all about celebrating, of course, diversity, beauty, and love for our community. And of course, we would like to thank everyone for coming here at the Sitio Radar. I am Aaron Mel Concepcion Tubiara, and it's my honor to host for tonight. Maraming salamat po, Sitio Radar. It's so nice to be back. So today, we are gathered to celebrate that and to showcase that Sitio Radar is really blessed and it's really loved. And the celebration of today is, of course, to give back to our community. As we can all see na lahat po ng mga tao sa Sitio Radar ay nagkaisa. They have unity. Saksi po ako dyan because ang kasama ko po si Derek itself na nag-prepare po, and of course the people of Sitio Radar. Let's give them a round of applause po. Maraming salamat for making this event possible, of course, the festival. And of course, to kick off this festival, it is my honor to present to you the pride of Sapang Bato National High School and Senior High School. Ladies and gentlemen, help me to welcome the CAD Tap Troop! Distinguished guests, let's all welcome the epicable talent of Sapang Bato National High School and Senior High School, the CCAD Dance Troupe.
Sa biyayang umaapaw, kultura
nagningning. Sa bawat pagsikat ng araw, kaganahan ay matanaw. Sa biyaya kong araw, kulay namingit ang habang. Isang sayas mindanao, sa salamat ang sigaw. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them once again a round of applause. Alright. Thank you so much. And of course, we would like to thank Sir Kenneth Bautista, the head choreographer of CCA Dance Troupe of Sapang Bato National High School. So it's our very own pride. We have a very talented dance troupe in our barangay. Alright. And of course, to begin our program, may we call on the Peru Youth Leader of Sitio, Mr. Barry Garcia, to give his opening remarks. Let's give him a round of applause po. Ayan, alright.
Hello po, Sitio, ayan. Dakal pong salamat na karami pong sinuporta na mabuo po ikakatamang programa para kay kapistan kay kakatamang programa.
Yes! Pasalamat ka!
Sige, okay lang yan. Magpasalamat ka.
Dakal pong salamat na nagalan mo amo. Thank you po for
Enjoy lang,
benediction kay kakatamang programa.
Enjoy lang ah!
Hindi ko kasi expect na makalining kahit outcome ng program tayo. Ito mo kung maraming salamat po. Kaya yung pagdaligid
So much, the Pro Youth Leader, tunay na pong masipag ini, saksi ko po Ken. Saksi ko po king weeks of preparation, puya, bandang pong ang elaborate niya po ining stage na po ni Kakatamo Santo Niño. And of course, balota naman po na ini pong event ay ni is not just a one-man journey. And naman po, yun na mo po ning metong ataw ini. It takes a community, kita pong maging makaniniya pong pasabog at bongga yung kaya katamong event. And of course, with the help of our sponsors, thank you so much for making this event really, really, really possible. We would like to thank Renato Guzman, Ernesto Gagi, Honorable JC Aguas, Honorable Dan Lacson, Kagawa Jasper John Gonzalez Ortega, Ria Manilo, Sir Edwin Garcia,